What's going on? It's Scott here. I have this Dyno Comp in the repair stand. It's a 97 Red Splatter, and it needs a lot of work. Well, I don't know. It does need work. I don't know how much, but I'll walk you through it. So, um, starting from back, let's start from front to back. Okay, so front end, handlebars are loose, but I checked them. They're not stripped. I gotta get the rust off the bolts. These brake levers aren't original to the bike, clearly. I'm going to put some period correct levers on there, probably get some better grips. What else we got going on? So there's some rust on the stem bolt. This is kind of interesting. It's kind of like yin and yang. It's a black and white cable. This isn't on correctly. I gotta flip this around like these cables are crossed. And the chain is purple for some reason. I don't know. Previous owner did that. And this dyno seat is from an early 90s or late 80s dyno. So I'm probably going to sell this separate and throw on a different dyno seat that I have. This bolt is rusted, so I gotta get the rust off of that. There is what appears to be a Rick and Morty sticker. I'm not sure. I don't know what sticker that is. I gotta get that sticker off. What else we got going on? I'm gonna rebuild the bottom bracket, so get all new grease on the bearings and all the old grease off the bearings. And then it's got mismatched tires. There's a Primo tire in the front that's facing the wrong direction. The tread is facing the wrong direction. So someone must have put this tire, I'm assuming, on when it was on its handlebars, and then the drive direction was upside down. And then there's a Goodyear tire in the back. And then it's got Tektro brake calipers. And the front cable is frayed completely. It's got Jaguar housing, which is for shifting, so I don't know. I might just leave it because only people with OCD like me will notice that. Um, but yeah, overall, it's in great condition. There's no dents, no dings, minimal rust. I'm impressed. And it doesn't have the original rims. It's got these Alex rims, which I feel like are an upgrade. So some Alex rims on there. And yeah, I'm excited. So this is a before. Gonna take a picture of the before. It's got it all something avalanched. This is before. Alright, so we got the 1997 Red Splatter Dyno Comp in the repair stand. I just got done rebuilding it. It's got all new grease, completely frame up rebuild. So got the KK hub, Alex rims on here, new tires, the brakes are all sorted out. Still got the purple chain on it. I got a dyno cushion seat on here. Removed all the rust, so there's no rust on any of the bolts anywhere, so all the rust is removed. I used the Vapor Rust, got rid of that. And then the front KK hub, Alex rim. And yeah, it looks really good. And I hope you enjoy. Good old Dyno Comp. I am so excited I finally own a Dyno Comp, especially with the red splatter. Great color scheme.